So again, good evening to all my friend. My name is Abhishek Dikshit, and how you all? I hope you all are fine. I am also good. So our English speaking series is running, and somewhere day by day we are improving and we are going ahead. And I hope you all are watching my video. And while watching my video, you all are getting some benefit. So in this video, we are also going to learn some new things because in my every video I tell in a different way and I try to taught in a different way. Okay. So today I am not going to teach anything. Today I am going to suggest what mistake we all done. Okay. Because somewhere we all have fear of English without thinking and somewhere we all have fear of English. Why we have in this video, I am going to tell why we have and how to reduce it. Okay, because if we have fear of English and we are not speaking while you are just watching this video and you are just listening, then you can't get benefit and you can't improve your English. So if you want to improve really, if you want to improve your English, then you have to remove that fear. What fear you have related in English, related in English speaking, related in language. Okay, so you have to reduce it. So in this video I am going to tell you what kind of fear you have, and then I tell you why you have that fear. So what fear we all have somewhere? We have a fear of public. We are not speaking in front of public. We are speaking. If you are in any room, in any single room, then you try to speak. Then you try to speak sentence. You try to make sentence. But when we are in any public places, then we are not speaking anyhow. So this mistake we all done somewhere. I also have a somewhere fear of public. I when I was in public, then if anyone is saying you just given a speech, go on podium and given any kind of speech. If I am in a school, then given any kind of a speech towards in children, towards in anything, so then we can't speak because we have a fear of English and we can't speak. So we have to reduce it. And how to reduce it? It is a somewhere different thing, but we have to reduce it. So I in this video I am going to tell us how to reduce it, how to reduce that fear. So if you are in anywhere, in any place, just think you are buying anything, you are in any shop, you are in any mall, you are in anywhere, okay, and you want to buy something, then try to speak in English. Try to speak. Just suppose you want pen, you want to copy, you want a eraser, cutter. So try to ask in English. I want eraser. I want two eraser. Okay. So somewhere because we have to speak. In speaking, it is more necessary. We have to speak. So try to reduce that fear. What fear you have related in English. So if you are in any shop, if you are in any mall, if you are buying clothes, if you are buying related in stationary things, then try to speak in English. And if you are going in anywhere, if you are traveling in anywhere, in any vehicles, if you are in train, if you are in bus, if you are in cars, and if you are travel in by bikes, so try to speak in English and try to know the name of English and new things. Try to also improve your vocabulary because vocabulary is more necessary. If you are in big in vocab, then somewhere you can't speak in such a nice way. So you have to need to improve your vocabulary also, and you have to need to reduce your fear. What fear you have related in English? So what I suggest you, if you are in any shop, if you are in any mall, if you are buying clothes, what you buy, just try to talk in English. Yes, in upcoming time, I also make video related in conversation between the shopkeeper uh, and the client consumer. And upcoming time, I also make video related in video. But now you are in any school, you are anywhere, then try to talk in English. If you are in railway station, then try to talk in English. If you want ticket, then ask ticket in English. I want two tickets. I want to go Delhi. I want to go Mumbai. Where you want to go? I want two ticket. I want three ticket. Try to talk in English and try to talk in English. Those are influent, and Also try to start conversation in anyhow, because starting conversation, it is a very biggest problem. We are not, we really, we don't want to talk in with anybody, because what we think, if I talk in English, then what another person ask, what another person thinking about me, why you are thinking what he is thinking about you. Don't think, because if you are thinking what they are thinking, what another person thinking about you, then you can't get any kind of benefit and you can't improve your English. So it is more necessary to reduce your fear. What fear you have related in English? If you are in a airport, if you are in railway station, if you are any shop, if you are any school, if you are any college, where you are, it doesn't matter. Try to speak in English. If you are in any public place, then try to speak in English, because in speaking it is more necessary. In speaking it is more necessary to speak, because you are not speaking, then how you improve? You can't get improvement. You have to conversation, you have to convert another person. And I also make related some video. If you don't have anybody in you are, if you are a beginner, then try to speak by yourself. Try to speak just in front of mirror, and just stand up and try to speak more and more, and just talking with ourselves. Okay, with ourselves. And and if you are talking anybody in WhatsApp, in anybody in Instagram, in Facebook, because I know somewhere we all invest too much time in social media apps, in like Instagram, like Facebook, like WhatsApp. We are somewhere, really we are somewhere wasting too much time in that places. So first, don't and waste too much time. And if you really want to talk in with everybody, with anybody, so talk in English. Try to talk in English, because you want to you are just suppose you are talking with anybody in WhatsApp chatting, so try to send message in English. Okay, so today I am just telling you how to reduce it and what kind of fear we have. We have a fear of public, we have a fear of we are not going any. If you are where you are going, try to speak in English. And really, it is a very biggest fear. Somewhere we all have. I also have when I was in any public place. So I also feel regretting. I also regret myself. Okay, so I also want to remove my fear, what fear I have. And I also suggest you all, my brother, you all my English learners, try to remove your fear, what fear now you have. Because we have to speak, we want to speak. If you want to speak, then you have to speak. Okay, just remember one thing, you want to speak, then you have to speak. So now I hope you all like this video, and I hope you also like my all video. So if you like this video, then please like this video and subscribe my channel Abhishek Dikshit English, and try to speak more and more. Try to think more and more in English, and what you are doing, do in English. So again, I suggest to all my brothers, what you are doing, do in English, and try to reduce your fear, what fear you have in English. So thanks to all watching this my video, and give love towards in this channel, and also supports me, because now I am also not fluent in English, but I try to talk, I try to. And what kind of a step I was taken in my beginning when I was start in learn English. So also I suggest you. So I hope you all like this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel Abhishek Dikshit English. Thanks to all. Thank you.